Hello, and welcome to our presentation on nanotechnology. We will talk about how nanotechnology should be used more in industries and how should they push towards affordable and clean energy. We have three reasons: reduce energy used in renewable energy, energy efficient water filters, and transportation vehicles.
So the first thing we'll be talking about is renewable energy. A nanoparticle called carbon nanotubes is currently being researched to allow carbon dioxide to be separated from power plant exhaust. Nanotechnology allows solar panels to become more efficient as it can be modified at a fundamental level to increase intake of light. And this is possible as nanotechnology helps the traditional silicon cells reflect less light, allowing for more absorption. And nanomaterials also have a greater surface area, so allows for more material to absorb more light. Nanotechnology has the potential to provide more affordable, cleaner, and more efficient and more reliable ways to utilize renewable energy sources, which have the greatest chances of helping developing countries overcome their energy supply issues for years to come. And also, global warming is slowly killing our planet, and this is all caused by us, you. Haven't you ever wondered how to save the environment, but at the same time have your house fully powered? This can all be solved by using nanotechnology with solar panels.
Renewable Energy Part 2, Biofuels Using Nanotechnology, specifically algae farming. A renewable energy that uses nanotechnology is biofuels, more specifically algae as a biofuel. Using nanotechnology, they're developing nano farming technology that will extract oil from the algae that will be used to create biofuels. A company doing such is ExxonMobil, with its goal of producing 1,500 gallons per acre per year and 10,000 barrels per day by 2025. ExxonMobil has put in $300 million in the last decade with some results that are very slow, but not the goal they had been hoping for. But in the end, global warming is the real issue, and as years pass, we are seeing more and more governments work towards laws that make sure clean and more sustainable resource projects are being funded.
Efficient water treatment. So our current methods of water treatment require lots of pressure to push water through a filter or lots of energy and chemicals to kill pathogens. This has environmental effects from the energy generation all the way to the disposing of the chemicals. And also rural communities, especially in developing countries, may not have the infrastructure to provide these high energy methods. So nanotechnology can potentially eliminate this problem. Nanotechnology allows for a new type of filtration with carbon nanotubes. So this material is small enough to stop the flow of pollutants while still allowing the flow of water. And due to their small size, they do not need high pressure to push the water through the filter. As a result, they can be used by individuals without the need of entire companies to filter the water for them. These filters also don't lose effectiveness, as researchers at Rice University were able to remove arsenic from water. And this is usually a task that would be a more intense method like reverse osmosis.
Next is transportation. Vehicles are a major contributor factor to pollution as they produce a significant amount of nitrogen oxide and carbon monoxide. In 2013, transportation contributed to more than half of these toxic chemicals found in the atmosphere. Air pollution from vehicles increases respiratory diseases such as asthma and the risk of lung cancer. This leaves many households feeling sorrow because they may have lost a loved one due to this. According to Lula University, the use of nanotechnology applications in automotive industries would create stronger, more durable, and sustainable components without adding extra weight or sacrificing flexibility. Nanotechnology can be used with hydrogen fuel cars. This is because the cells with the hydrogen needs to be stored in semi-solid state with the help of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology will likely decrease the need of fossil fuels, thus having positive impact on global warming. This would bring us one step closer to saving our beloved animals losing their homes due to the changing climate.
Negatives regarding nanotechnology. Some say that nanoparticles have toxic effects on the human body. Researchers and scientists are concerned about the exposure to the nanoparticles over a long period of time will have a big impact on the human body. Little to no information on the environmental impact of manufactured nanomaterials have been conducted. Effects of nanotechnology on biological systems are undocumented. Although no health problems have been documented, further research should be conducted. Nanotechnology may have negative effects, so further research is required. Concern about the impacts on organisms is mostly due to inhaling or ingesting the material, so handling them with care, like other toxic like other toxic materials, can prevent this.
So this is our reference list. Thank you for listening.